Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about row function in Power BI. So, what is row function and what generally it does? Row function returns a table with a single row containing value that results from an expression given to each column. What does it mean? It means that whenever there is a requirement to create a single row with value with the help of a certain kind of expression, we can able to achieve it with the help of a row function. This is the signature of row function. This is the name and this is the expression, and that will going to continue. So let's discuss about both parameters. Let's discuss about name. So name of the new column enclosed in double quotes. So whenever we are going to create a column name, here we need to pass that value in the double quotes. So this is the example. If we are going to create AP profit, we need to put into the double quotes. If you want to create a column AP cost, we need to put into the double quotes. Now let's discuss about the expression. The column name which we have created with the help of this parameter, whatever the value it will going to have, that will decide with the help of this expression. So it could be any DAX expression that returns a single scalar value. For example, this is the AP customer sales. This is a DAX which going to return a single scalar value. This is the expression. This expression is also going to return a single scalar value. Here we are using the sum function, and this is the column based on what it will going to sum it, and it will going to return a single value. Let's understand this row function with the help of this code. What we are doing here, we are creating a table, and the table which we are creating with the help of a row function. This is the name of the column, and this is the value which will going to populate in this column. This is the name of the column, and this is the value. So both this one and this one, both are measure, and it will going to return a single scalar value. So as an output, we can see this is the column name which we have defined here. This is the column name which we have defined here, and this is the corresponding value which are coming from these two measures. In this exercise, we are going to use this data model. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. So what I'm just doing here, I am creating a table with the help of this row function. I am creating two columns. One is AP retail customer sold, and this is the DAX expression which is going to return a scalar value. So this will be a value of this column. This is again a different column, AP retail quantity sold, and we are creating with the help of this sumx function. It will going to take all the values which is present in AP retail quantity sold, sum it up, and will going to return a single scalar value, and that value will going to populate as a value of this column. So let me create this table in Power BI. Let me create a new table. Name of the table is AP retail row. How the value will going to populate? The value is going to populate. How the table will going to create? The table is going to create with the help of a row. This is the name of the column. So what is the name of the column? AP retail customer soup. This is the name of the value. Sorry, name of the column. And what is the value of this column? Value of this column is AP retail customer sales. This is the second column. What is the name of the second column? AP retail quantity sold. How the value will going to populate in this column? The value will going to populate with the help of a sumx function. In sumx function, let me just give the table name. AP retail sales by store. And what is the column name? Based on what this sumx function will going to do the sum? The name of the column is AP retail quantity sold. AP retail sales by store quantity sold. Let me run it. We can see this table gets created with two columns. One is AP retail customer sold and another is AP retail quantity sold. This AP retail customer sold value is going to populate with the help of this measures. Name of the measure is AP retail customer sales. This will going to return a scalar value. So this is a scalar value. This column AP retail quantity sold is getting populated with the help of this sumx function. It will also going to return a scalar value. And how, from where the sum will going to fetch the value? It will going to look the value which is present in AP retail quantity sold of the table AP retail sales by store. It will going to take all the values from AP retail customer sold. It will sum it up and return a scalar value. So this is the value which is getting returned with the help of a sumx function. So in this video we have seen how we can create a table with the help of a row function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.